So welcome to Chinatown, Singapore, and just to give you a little bit of a history, its development actually started around 1843. So we're going to go around, check it out, see what it's like, both during the early evening and then when it gets a little bit darker to see all the lights. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And I'm actually coming right from the MRT station. So you can see some of the architecture up here. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
This is the heart of Chinatown.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So glad to be here.
Thank you.
I love talking to folks. How are you doing? How are you doing? Pretty good? Yeah? You doing good? Oh yeah. I love it here. First time to Chinatown.
Okay, Chinatown? Here, Chinatown?
Yeah, yeah. Just look at this amazing architecture. How are you?
Yes.
Pretty good?
Massage?
Oh, no massage tonight. My first tour of Chinatown.
Oh, first time?
First time, yeah.
Welcome to Singapore.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here, really.
Nice day.
Okay. Folks are just so nice here. Now, I've been to a lot of Chinatowns, and I always look forward to whatever city I'm in, and if they have one, I definitely go to it. US, overseas. See, this is the the Chinatown Heritage Center. What's in there? Uncover the origins of Chinatown. That'll be interesting to go in, but I think tonight I'll just kind of like get a good feel of it. Okay, hit this intersection, kind of show you around right here. Now this is kind of a dual thing, because I will walk down some of these same places when it gets a little bit darker. But I got some good lighting, and I want to take advantage of that. And then you get a like what it looks like during the day and then in the evening. Hello, how are you? Oh, massage, I know. We're gonna head down Southbridge Road and hit Temple Street. Go down there.
Such a high amount that you start losing, you know what I mean?
And you can see the other side. Gotta do a pan around here. Okay, this is Temple Street. And we'll head back down. Look at this mural. That looks really nice. A little bit more traffic-y on this one. Every time, it just really reminds me of Talang Road there in Phuket, Thailand. You know, it's got that same style architecture. Sino-Portuguese. Okay, we're gonna go down here. Look at all these durians. Good looking fruit. They'll even cut it up for you. Of course, tons of souvenirs. What would you expect? It's funny, you know, Chinatown is just kind of right here in the middle of all these modernized skyscrapers, condominiums, hotels. So it's really something. But look at this. This is what you can get. This is Smith Street. Show you what I mean. Nice. Looks like a condo right there. They've done a really good job of preserving these old structures though. Even got some rain barriers there on the top. See what's up here? It's called the Chinatown Complex. Probably a million shops in there also.
Got it.
It's really interesting. Let's find out. Oh, let's see, what is this right here? Singaporean radio memories from 1950s to the 1970s. Okay, this is what it is. The Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum. And it's closed, but at least I can get the outside. How about that? Okay, we're gonna head toward Sago Street. This way. Hello, sir. Oh, not yet. Thank you. Just doing a little tour around Chinatown.
This is the Chinatown.
Yes.
Any drinks are happy hour.
Okay, thank you. Really get a good feel of this area. I don't know if you're gonna find any really good deals here, really. Maybe. They got some nice hotels here too. Look at these things. Some areas are kind of lighter than others. Let's see, we're going to go inside this temple and check it out. San Diego. Where are you from, sir?
I was born here.
Born here? Yeah. This your shop right here?
Yes, sir. Here everyone works very hard.
Very hard? Yes.
Make a living. Yes.
How long have you been working here?
Oh, I've been here there since 1986. There,
No kidding.
yeah,
Wow, that's a
I can take video. No problem. Take, sir, take. Go in and take.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Al. Call me Aloysius.
Aloysius? Okay, we're gonna go in there and check Aloysius' store out. How's
Come in,
that?
sir. No problem.
I can't guarantee I'm gonna buy anything, but at least I'll take a look,
Yeah,
huh?
no problem. You're under no obligation.
Yeah,
So what we do is we have a lot of things.
yeah,
Souvenirs. We want to buy Singapore t-shirts and we have
Yeah, yeah.
dresses, blouses, skirts,
yeah,
and
yeah.
everything.
yeah.
Slacks. So I say we got a lot of things. How long will you be in Singapore, sir?
Oh, maybe about a week or so.
You're here on holiday or?
On holiday, yeah, holiday. Yes, sir.
So what do you do back home?
Oh, I'm a vlogger, travel vlogger.
Travel vlogger. Okay.
Yeah, YouTuber.
Oh.
You know a YouTuber?
I see.
Yeah, so you don't mind being on the video, do you?
Yes, no problem.
This is Aloysius.
Hi. Hello from Singapore.
Oh, thank you very much.
Chinatown Pagoda Street.
Oh, thank you. Well, I gotta move on, Aloysius. I'll
Go
see if
have
I.
a look inside.
I gotta be moving on, and I will see you in a little bit, probably.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
Come and see us, sir. If you need some time.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time. I appreciate
No
it.
problem.
Oh. Now I couldn't see the whole store because I have a lot more to see. A lot of activity has picked up.
Hello, boss. Your Chinese food? Food very good.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, human hagao, 小笼包.
What do you got there, sir?
And today beer promotion, Qingdao, $20 for the beer.
Uh-huh.
Qingdao, wow, very good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, food, no food and no pay.
No pay?
Yeah,
That looks really good.
Chef cook menu inside food 24 years. Very nice.
Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Very tempting.
Okay.
But I have to wait.
Okay, 1%.
Thank you.
Okay, later.
Maybe later. I can't guarantee it though. Thank you very much for your time though. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, boss.
Go inside here and you can see all this stuff too. See what they have. Wow. Okay, time to head back. Been a really good day, but I'm looking forward to getting back to my hotel. I probably put in about 30,000 steps today. So if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video from Singapore. Later.